Let's connect a professional email address and link your custom domain. A professional email not only looks more trustworthy and reinforces your brand, but it also improves deliverability, making it far less likely to end up in spam compared to free emails like Gmail or Yahoo. If you already have a professional email and domain, great. Connecting it to GetResponse is free. If you don't have one yet, you can buy a domain directly through GetResponse. Just keep in mind that this requires a paid creator plan. Or you can also purchase a domain and set up a professional email through providers like GoDaddy, Squarespace Domains, or Namecheap. I've linked these providers in the description below. For this tutorial, we'll assume you already have a domain and email set up. To keep your emails out of spam and protect your sender reputation, your email needs to be authenticated. This includes DKIM, DMARC, and SPF, which help prove your emails are legitimate and prevent scammers from faking them. GetResponse uses a tool called Entry to automatically handle these authentication steps for you, so there's nothing extra you need to configure. Just connect your domain and you're all set. We'll walk through this next. To add and authenticate your email, click on the profile icon at the top right and select Emails and Domains from the dropdown. Click Add Email. Give your email address a name. Enter your professional email address. Click Additional Settings if you want to adjust how the email is used. The default option works fine for most users. Click Add to continue. Next, verify your email. Click Got it, then go to your inbox and open the confirmation email from GetResponse. Click the verification link in the email. This will redirect you back to GetResponse, where your new email should now appear in the list with an orange warning label that says No DKIM Authentication. Hover over the three dots next to the warning label and select Authenticate. GetResponse uses Entry to automatically update your TXT records and connect your domain. Click Continue and follow the prompts. Entry will check if your domain provider supports automatic setup. If your domain provider is compatible, follow the prompts. You may need to log into your domain provider account. If your domain provider isn't compatible or you run into issues, you'll need to authenticate manually. Click the Go to our manual setup link at the bottom of the wizard to complete the process. Once the TXT records are updated, either automatically or manually, allow time for the changes to propagate. This typically takes a few hours but can sometimes take up to 48 hours. Once the authentication is complete, a green DKIM authenticated tag will appear next to your email domain under the DKIM column, confirming that everything is set up correctly. To check the status of your DNS propagation, visit dnschecker.org. Enter your domain and click TXT in the dropdown. Then click Search. If 48 hours pass and authentication still isn't working, check out the troubleshooting guide in the description below or the card at the top right of this video. If you have multiple email accounts in GetResponse and want to set the new one as default, hover over the three dots next to the email and select Set as Default. Now you're all set to send messages from your professional email through GetResponse.